your attention with sweet cars and also showing other usages of these axial air movers. Let's go over a couple highlights of them. These are the new ASD Elite Axial Air Movers, Elite SS's actually. They're only 10 inches wide, weighing in at 23 pounds and just under 3,000 CFM. These are an excellent option for your next axial air mover purchase. The nice thing about them, outside of being powerful, quiet, they actually have a variable speed, GFI for daisy chaining, and an hour meter as well. These retail at under $300 a piece. They're easy to carry, and you can actually stack up 10 of them at a time and be transportable at that point. So for more questions, or if you want to get your pallet of air movers, give your nearest NSN dealer a call.